Imagine that you live at the foot of the Himalayas. You decide to leave home on a warm day when it is 27 degrees outside and climb to the top of Everest at nearly $9,000. What clothes would you take with you? How would you dress? How would you prepare? The air near the ground is heated by the earth, which receives energy from the sun. The closer you are to the ground, the warmer the air. As you climb higher, toward very tall mountains like Everest, things change. The air becomes thinner, meaning there are fewer pockets of air to hold heat. In addition, the air is no longer heated directly by the ground. It has to share the small amount of heat it has. That is why, as we go higher, the air gets colder. A simple rule helps us understand this. For every 1,000 meters you climb, the temperature drops by approximately 6-7 degrees. This is called the vertical temperature gradient. In reality, the vertical temperature gradient can vary because the atmosphere is influenced by multiple factors: humidity, presence of clouds, terrain, time of day, presence of snow, etc. Everest is almost 9,000 meters high. If we start at 27 degrees at sea level and decrease the temperature step by step, we reach very low values. That is why at the top of Everest it can be around 30 degrees or even colder, even if at the base of the mountain it is summer. So it is not because the sun heats less that it is cold on Everest, but because the air at high altitudes cannot retain heat, and the temperature decreases as we climb higher.